This is the last worked example for 1D arrays. For this worked example, we want to look at writing statements that involve arrays. The problem we want to solve is to write the code to reverse the elements of an array. There are several different approaches that we might take. The first solution that we'll look at here will make a whole new array and then copy the elements in the reverse order. This example will be similar to the worked example where we did a reverse traversal of the array. If we have an original array, we will then need to declare and instantiate a new array that is the exact same size. For this code, we have an integer array original where we've given it the initializer list of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, so it contains those values. We then create copy, which is instantiated at the same size as the length of the original array. Then we want to create a loop that will go in reverse for the original array, copying the elements over in order starting at the beginning of our new array. We'll have a local variable called place that will start at index 0. We then have a for loop that goes in the reverse order of the original array. So I starts at original.length minus 1, continues as long as I is greater than or equal to 0, and is decremented by 1 each time. Then inside the loop, at copy sub place, which starts at 0, gets the value at original sub I. So beginning, a copy sub 0 gets original.length minus 1. Place is then incremented and I is decremented. So the second statement that would be executed would be copy sub 1 is equal to original sub original.length minus 2. The next would be copy sub 2 is equal to original sub original.length minus 3, and so forth. So one indicator is going backwards, the other one is going forwards until all of the elements have been copied. An alternate solution that does not require extra memory, meaning that we're going to swap all of the elements in the same space, looks like this. It's a for loop that goes from I is equal to 0 while I is less than array.length divided by 2. So we'll go only for half of the array. We then want to swap the variables at wherever we are in the array, starting at 0 and array.length minus I minus 1. So when I is at 0, it's just array.length minus 1, or the last element. So we're swapping the first and the last elements. Then when we increment I, it'll be the second element in the array, and the next to last element will swap. This will continue until we meet in the middle. That is the end of this worked example.